So what's the count? We had two lower lows. We have a pivot here. Pivot's not really doing anything right now. So count was still up till we break a lower, third lower low. Weekly, have a pivot here. Test, replay. A PA reversal, price action reversal. We trade through. Test it on the upside. And test it on the downside here. So that level went in play. Test, confirmed on the wrong side. Got this big sell off. Diverge highs. Pretty nice up. So out of my 20,000, got in the 6th. I bought it the 5th. No. June 3rd. Oh yes, June 3rd. Bought it June 3rd. We were confirmed on the 1226, but we had diverge highs, so I could have got out on the highs, but I let it ride, and it stopped me out break even down here. Got in here, got me break even. Could have sold off at least up here because it's just diverge highs, but I let it run. I didn't lose anything. Okay, got in the 5th. We couldn't confirm on the 1226, and as well we couldn't confirm on the 36. So I put a tight stop loss around right here. Got out with a little profit at 350. I'm not going to count too much of it. That's the stock updates. Let's see what we got for tomorrow. Let's do the shorts first. I was watching BIRK today. I didn't take it. It seemed the perfect setup. I have this right here. It was like the perfect setup. They're coming right off the weekly support. What is 53.19? Test it here. Test it before it takes off. Well, it hasn't really taken off, but we'll see what it does. What will it do? The reason I didn't like it was 1226 on the weeklies is still up, and that this stock could easily maybe could just turn up tomorrow, go green, and especially when I have 10K in margin. I'm not gonna risk those big margin plays like that. So we're gonna look for real good continuations. This is interesting. This is coming right off the 3-6, right off the zero line. 1226, we're coming right through the zero line as well. Let me erase this. Coming through the zero line on 1226 on the daily. Looks like you may have a little window. Crossing on a 3-6, be a window. Not doing anything on the X level. It's really not doing anything on my weekly. How does this coming up on my not sure why this came up on my scan. It's not testing any levels unless it's thinking this right here. This is interesting, but yeah, I don't think I want to put margin on this one. I'm not gonna risk it. I haven't crossed on the 1226. 3-6 we're about to cross. 36 we crossed. 1226 we haven't crossed. What is this? 2479. Opens above it. Closes right on it. Close 2479. PA reversal. We go down, make it high, make it lower low. Breakthrough, cross back reversal. Go up, make it lower high, higher low. Another cross back on the weekly. Again, I'm not too sure about these. Not too much of a clean setup that I'm looking for. This one I can already tell it's a no. Yeah, we have too many sellers. Too many sellers at 6660. No, this is gonna be a nope. Let's go with the longs. This one I don't think this is gonna be a candidate. No, I can already tell no. Erase all this. Alright, so we're coming off, let's see, a bottom maybe. It's not diverge or anything. I don't like how the 1226 hasn't crossed yet. Yeah, I don't think this one. Maybe I'll save this one for later. I know I'm not going to get in tomorrow, but maybe the next day we'll print a green candle. We'll see how to close tomorrow, but I'm not going to trade it. I'm not going to get in that. Yeah, that's a negative. Yeah, this one's not going to be it either. some sellers there. No, does not look like I'm gonna. Does not look like I'm gonna take anything here. Again, this one is interesting, but was it this one? Yeah, I think this one was actually the better one. It's all pointing down. X levels right here, but there's just no levels. Yeah, there's no level. Got this pivot, but this pivot is not. Neffy, no Neffy. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Got a cross back. So now we're going up. One lower, higher high, another higher high, 3 higher highs. Got a pivot. Lower though. Yeah, this one I'm not gonna mess around with that one. Just everything has. It just has the right things. So there's a test of it. You know, we're gonna see how this one goes tomorrow. We're gonna see. Oh man, we're gonna see how this one goes tomorrow. I'm gonna watch the open. If I was supposed to get into it, if I was supposed to get into it, 33.52 is a low. I get on the breakout. Lows are highs of the next day. So 33.52. 33.52. Let's go to 33. Okay. Make it tight. Going for 20,000. It's 595 shares. No, wait. 33.49. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Wrong way. Going down. We'll play it like that. That'd be a big gap. It would need a. The only way I'd be. I don't know. Only way. We're gonna see what it does tomorrow. If I was supposed to lose, I would look to get out right around here. Where's this pivot? Yeah, that'd be the big risk. We'll take the little risk. Play around here. 1,000 risk. Yeah, I'm still not understanding. Maybe because of here. Alright, we're gonna see this tomorrow. We're gonna watch it. Took a little convincing, but I think I'm gonna put the order in tomorrow. I'm gonna watch the open. I'm gonna watch the open. We'll see if we get a continuation of the sell-off that we have here. Yeah, 12, 426.78. That was the level to watch that sell-off. I caught that level. That was a hardcore level. Full on resistance. I guess the next level I'll be watching is let's see that. Let's see last week's low. It's gonna hold. Yeah, let me see. Actually, I was actually watching the monthly breakout level here. I wonder if the bots are watching that. I'm not sure if the bots are watching that one. Yeah, so pretty much the levels to be watching. We'll see what happens when we get to them.